Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. And today, folks, we are at the Mecca of Pizza here in Sarasota. Since we moved here 3 years ago, this is the first time we've come here. I've heard that this is the best Brooklyn-style pizza in all of Florida. So here we are, put the address up here for you. We're right off of Gulf Gate, which is not only a couple miles from where we live in Sarasota. So let's check out Capo Pazzo. And this is, I hear this from everybody, this is the best of the best. So stay tuned, we'll do a nice little review. Oh wow, so look what's greeting me when I walk in, a Coca-Cola case. Wow. Little taste of home, Brooklyn. Kerry looks excited there. Nice and air conditioned too, wow. It is roasting outside. People disappoint, pizza is eternal. Don't piss off the boss. Wow, okay. So I think we'll get a nice Coke there. We'll see what's what. Let's check out the menu. So for inspiration, I got my Brooklyn Bridge shirt on here today. So we're totally getting into the mood here. So you're from Long Island, you said?
Yes, Nassau County.
Nice, I love Nassau County.
Yes.
You used to always go to Adventureland on the border of Nassau and Suffolk.
Oh, that's in Farmingdale.
Farmingdale, yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Oceanside.
Ocean, and what's your name?
Ralph.
Ralph, you're the owner?
No, I work here. I'm the main pizza guy, the head pizza guy.
Oh, you know, Ralph, not for nothing, the Brooklyn term. I've heard this is the best pizza anywhere.
That's
Everyone's
right.
been talking about it. I'm serious.
That's right.
Everyone says you gotta come in. I don't know how we missed this over 3 years, but we're finally here.
Thank you very much.
We made a pilgrimage. We only live a couple miles away. So Ralph says it's okay to do a video. So we're gonna hopefully get him some business too. So this is heaven on earth. Not only are they from Long Island, they're also Mets fans. A lot of people in Long Island are Mets fans, but so there's a very comprehensive menu here. What we think we're gonna get is the upside down Brooklyn Sicilian, and we're gonna get the meatball, the grandma's meatballs, I think it's called. Start off as an appetizer, and we'll get like a bottle of Coke too, like a, you know, swear it. So check this out. Kerry's digging in. They look amazing. These meatballs. We got a bottle of Coke here, and then what's great is they come over and they just kind of like, hey, how you doing? What's your name?
Eric.
Aaron, how you doing? Al.
Nice
Are you the owner or pizza guy?
I'm one of the guys, yes.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for letting us do a video. Appreciate you. How you doing?
Breaded cheese, red pepper, oregano.
Wave to him back there. We'll get Kerry's reaction. Yeah? Kerry's a tough judge, but she seems to like it. Oh my God, so these meatballs are amazing. It's just like, when I was a kid, I'm not Italian. I grew up with all Italian friends. I'm Irish and Lebanese. I used to go over to a lot of my friends' homes, and the grandma or the mom would cook, or the dad would even cook. And these are just meatballs like Nana used to make. They're just incredible. I mean, look at this, just with the mozzarella, the taste, so good. This is a must do. If you're anywhere in the Sarasota area, you have to come down here. I'll show you what pizza too. The video's not over, but I just can't say enough great things about this. And here we go in the Coke. Look at that. Look at that. Kerry topping off the bottles there. It's okay, you guys know Kerry thinks I'm crazy. So we got Ralph, the artist here, making a pizza.
How you doing?
How you doing, Ralph? How's everything? Thanks for your patronage, and thanks for inviting us in.
Of course, no problem. Anytime. How you guys doing?
We're doing great. What pizza are you making now? I know you make all different kinds.
Well, we're just making a regular pie right now. So Scott's doing it right here.
Okay.
All right?
Nice. So is your regular pie the most popular, or what's your most popular?
All the pies are the most popular over here.
Ah, see?
Everything is the popular.
Wow.
Squeeze that.
Oh, sorry, bud.
You're all right.
Ralph is a master here. He's the artist.
It's not my cup of tea. Give me some sports or something like that.
So do you guys have like a secret sauce or something like that? Or like a grandma sauce or something like comes from the family, or?
Yeah, you know, we have one of the partners on up in New York. That's his recipes, and we'll keep it that way. Everything is fresh. We use first quality fresh tomatoes. It comes from Italy.
Nice.
And we keep it simple. Simple it is.
Simple is good, yeah.
Simple is good. And a bit of olive oil.
Beautiful. Look at that. A work of art. And how long will that take in there?
About 7-8 minutes.
7-8 minutes. And we're cooking at what? 600 degrees, whatever? What is it?
645, 650. It
Wow.
depends.
Ralph, thanks a million. You're the best. Appreciate you. Love the food too.
Of course. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. And Ralph's got his own YouTube channel too, so what's your YouTube channel name?
Raffaele Pizzaiolo.
There you go. So you want to subscribe to Ralph as well.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. So before our pizza comes out, I just wanted to show you, the menu is very comprehensive. You have everything you could want here. We had the grandma's meatballs that were spectacular. You have rice balls here, truffle fries. You have all kinds of pastas, salads. They specialize in the pizzas, so just to show you some of the pizzas they do, the red pizzas like this, classic New York, Margherita, Donnie Brasco has the pepperoni, Meat Lover Supreme. Then you have Heroes. Of course, you have this. We got this one here, the upside down Brooklyn Square. You can see what that's about. They've also doing the white pizza. So anything you want, and they'll custom make what you want too. It's like middle of the day on a Thursday, and they are jumping here. They're doing all kinds of orders. You can't even believe how busy they are here. And I can only imagine what it would be like on a Saturday night or Friday night or during Super Bowl or something like that. This is just amazing. And I can't wait to show you the Sicilian pizza that comes out and to try it. It's incredible. All right, so here we have the upside down Brooklyn Sicilian from Ralph.
I got your pizza right here, right?
Ralph.
Upside down Sicilian.
Oh my God, beautiful. Let me see.
Okay, so I have a guy from Brooklyn right here. And that's a Brooklyn thing, upside down Brooklyn Sicilian. You let me know what you think, just take a look.
Wow, beautiful. A work of art. Oh my
That's
God.
right.
Look at this.
Give it a five.
Primo. Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You do amazing work. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at Kerry's face. All right, so Kerry's got to have the first piece.
I can't, it's hot.
What? So Kerry, you ready for the upside down Brooklyn Sicilian?
It smells really good. You know why they call it an upside down Brooklyn Square?
No, why do we call it an upside down?
Because it has the sauce on the top, the mozzarella on the bottom, topped with whatever Romano cheese and extra virgin olive oil. Looks really good.
It does. Looks fantastic. Look at that. It's like an Olympic swimming pool. We're ready to dive in, being it's an Olympic year. So we'll let Kerry try the first piece. She's going for an end square. She's hitting the end zone.
Marshmallow and something.
Yeah? She looks thrilled. She looks happy. All right, so I'm gonna go for this middle piece right here. Look at that. So this is absolutely fantastic. Literally on a par with L&B Spumoni Gardens in Brooklyn. And that is our favorite pizza of all time. So for me to say that, this is really, really spectacular. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. It's worth the drive. If you want to drive 2 hours to get here, it is worth it. And I'll tell you, before we close the video, another thing that makes it so special is how welcoming all the people here are. They come over, they ask you how it is, you can do special orders. They really put the TLC into the experience. They really value their patrons, their guests, which is so, so important because we're losing the service end in the world, I think, today. And to come to a place that's puts such a high value on service is just so incredible. Service, quality, ingredients, it's all there. I mean, what did Johnny Versace say, right? The designer. Quality, quality, quality. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to say thank you to everybody here. Come down, enjoy yourself here. It's well worth it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for joining us. Gonna dig more into this lovely upside down Brooklyn Sicilian. Love it. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.